Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Valley Center, local and long distance movers near me. It's a long distance move if you're moving more than 50 miles from your current location. To transport all this stuff over such a great distance, you'll need movers with extensive experience. We assist you in moving your stuff to your new residence in a safe and timely manner. They are careful with your possessions and when moving them for you. Trucks from our company are of the highest quality as well. Also, our drivers are excellent at what they do as well. We are licensed by the state and federal government to transport household goods across great distances. In addition, we offer a wide range of insurance policies that protect us from the financial consequences of our actions. Long distance relocations are more expensive, whereas local moves are more affordable. Our hourly prices in Valley Center are the most competitive in town. Our hourly rate is between $30 and $40. Despite our low prices, we offer the best local moving services in the area. Our movers are well versed in the art of moving quickly and precisely. Friends and family members in the area readily recommend us. Their confidence in us is based on our ability to provide them with the lowest prices possible. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Valley Center moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.